All right, let's talk about getting your hospitality operations out of the paper age.
Does this chaos look familiar? You're not alone. But this is a huge hidden risk.
And we're not talking small hiccups. These are big risks that affect everything.
Just think about it. Security logs, kitchen checklists, your teams are drowning in paper.
So what's the result? Well, it's chaos, zero visibility, and a whole lot of stress. But there's a smarter way forward, and it doesn't mean changing everything.
The solution is simple. You just digitize the humble register. It's a simple, powerful first step.
Okay, let's see this in action. We'll start with security, a major source of liability. You go from scribbled logs to clear, photo-verified entries. It's a total game changer.
Now, what about housekeeping? Consistency here is absolutely everything for guests.
You can ditch the lost checklists for real-time tracking, consistent standards, and real accountability.
And the same idea applies everywhere. Maintenance, kitchens, even your stores. It's one system. So why SFDP? What makes their digital registers so effective in these tough environments?
Because it's built for real work, turning simple entries into trusted, verifiable data.
Okay, so for a decision maker like you, what's the actual business case here?
Look, the reasons leaders choose this first are pretty clear. It's all about immediate impact.
And that impact is real. You'll see less chaos and way faster issue resolution.
It all boils down to this: one single system for central visibility and management confidence.
And remember, this isn't about replacing people. It's about empowering them, making their work count.
Exactly! You're not just patching a problem, you're fixing the very foundation of your operations.
So, the real question is your foundation solid enough to build on? This is step one.